Welcome to the beautiful island of Curacao. Did you know that the Queen Emo Bridge open at least 30 times per day to let show cargo ships and is one of the oldest floating bridges that's still operating in the entire world. Today is a big day in Curacao. Is the World Flag Day where they display all nation of flags. Even the bridge is decorated in flag. Whoa, the bridge opened right through this time. It's a big day in Curacao. We don't know if this bridge is gonna be reopened anytime soon for the day. They're having the parade in the town. I think the bridge has been totally closed off for the day. To get to the other side of the town, we have to take a ferry. The ferry is leaving us, so we have to wait for maybe another ferry. That's the only alternative to get over to the other side of the island of Curacao. Boat is here.
You gotta get over there.
Yeah, we have to wait till the persons get off before going. We can't go out of
Now
that.
you gotta like make your way to the middle so you can.
We'll make it, but there's always space for us.
Rough water. Rough water.
Take us less than 2 minutes to get over the other side.
The bridge. My family was like 3 minutes away and the bridge was. Now they're 90 minutes.
You'll be safe, but no worries. Your family is in good hands.
Well, they're slow. I ain't gotta worry about it. They stop and they pee every like 5 minutes. So that's why I left yesterday. So you don't move over.
Yeah, you think, yeah.
Finally made it, but I was wondering if it's gonna take forever to get over this side of the island. The boat came, take us over there. Then here comes the bridge closing back. The bells are ringing each time there's a ship going through. You hear the alarm goes off. Truck store. Most of the stores are closed, not really open as yet. part is like the old town of Curacao, all old buildings right there. I will be having lunch at the Wilhelmina in Curacao. This is my second time having lunch at this restaurant. I'm trying to learn about Curacao food. The server said I need to try Carni, Stoba, and I'm definitely gonna give this one a try. It's working? No Wi-Fi. I don't think the Wi-Fi is even working because there was a power outage.
Alright, nice to meet you, man. That's nice one. Let me record. How you feel Curacao, brother?
It's a beautiful Dutch island.
This is your first time here?
Second time. Beautiful. First, I'm in love with the culture and then the food. World Flags Day, you see they're displaying all nations of flags.
And I'm lucky. I'm lucky to meet the players.
Of course. We all should be lucky and grateful, bro.
Do you know the player of your country? Who is he?
Kakuna.
Pakuna.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
That's what you guys having?
Yeah.
Banana, smoothie.
Yeah, man.
I'm waiting on my meal, bro. I'm hungry.
Right? He's the one.
Yeah, Pakuna.
Right. Curry Stoba?
Yes.
Okay, done.
Okay, send na.
My meal is here. It's like a stew beef with roasted potato, vegetable.
How's the team?
Good man. Touch vegetable.
So healthy, man.
Yes, man. Carni Stoba.
Carni Stoba.
Okay. It's like similar to Jamaican, like stew beef,
Yeah.
but it was really, really good. Perfect.
Flat?
Yes?
Perfect. I like every moment of it. It's tender, it's full of flavor.
Yes.
I really, really enjoy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Lunch was really, really good.
Where?
Telling you, I enjoy every moment of that meal. You should be here. What are you guys waiting? Of course. Life is good.
And I really want to come back. Especially want to stay. Another person. Look at this lady. Yeah.
Amor, porque no esperamos.
The lock of love.
With the box, with the lock.
Yeah, the lock of love. The bridge is always floating on top of the water, bro. That's why it's always shaking like that. Guys, you hear the bridge? Listen to that old creepy sound of the bridge. We have a digital store. Digital, bigger, better network. Curacao have one of the smallest KFC I have ever seen. If this was in Jamaica, I'm telling you, it would be hours before a person actually gets through. It's so small. Hit the notification bell, guys. That's when I uploaded any new video. You will be the first one to get it. Thank you for sticking with Caribbean Vibes Adventures.